For manufacturers with asset-intensive operations, uptime and availability are mission-critical, but it is often challenging to connect to existing assets, continuously monitor the parameters that impact asset health and performance, and alert on critical issues before they impact performance. The inability to monitor these assets results in more frequent events with longer unplanned downtime, higher scrap and rework, higher maintenance costs, lower overall asset utilization, and unnecessary capital expenditures. Enter Factory Insights as a Service, a SaaS-based offering from PTC and Rockwell Automation that leverages Microsoft Azure technology to reduce time to value for deployments at scale. The asset monitoring and utilization use case included in this offering addresses these exact problems. Asset monitoring and utilization helps manufacturers connect to existing assets, remotely monitor them in real time, generate alerts based on abnormal conditions, and deliver critical insights with data trending and analysis tools. The Performance Dashboard provides real-time access to each monitored asset, including detailed drill downs into asset health, open alarms and performance readings for selected properties and sensors. Since most assets are unique, each asset card is configurable. For each asset, the maintenance team can define the default time window for the analysis. They can also establish complex alarms with condition types and boundary limits, actions associated with those alarms, email and SMS distribution rules for messaging, acknowledgement options, and reporting to drill down into root causes for high-priority alarms, reducing maintenance costs. With integration to maintenance systems, maintenance and reliability engineers have access to condition status and critical issues and alarms, enabling them to maintain focus and priority on the most pressing opportunities to improve uptime while simultaneously reducing maintenance costs. Asset monitoring and utilization enables maintenance managers and reliability engineers to rapidly connect to and catalog assets, establish critical parameters needed to track asset-related performance, rapidly identify anomalous data trends, troubleshoot for root cause analysis, and access performance information from any device. Companies implementing the Factory Insights as a Service asset monitoring and utilization use case have recognized significant performance improvements, including a 5 to 20% increase in throughput, a 20 to 30% reduction in unplanned downtime, and 2 to 13% reduction in energy consumption. For more information on Factory Insights as a Service, visit www.ptc.com/Factory Insights as a Service.